I'm on page 174 of your Osborne book, Sorting, Checking and Importing Data. Exercise 1, Validating Formulas and Spell Check. In this first exercise, we're going to practice using the tools available for validating formulas and checking the spelling of our text, using a spreadsheet that's already been created. We'll then create a new spreadsheet. To do this exercise, you're going to need T5 Investment Check. Stage 1. This stage covers checking the formulas in our spreadsheet. From the File menu, we need to select Options and Formulas. If I go to File, I don't have the option of Options. So I'll need to go to Formulas, Error Checking, and then I can go to Options and take the tick out. When I take the tick out, I want to have a look at the formulas step by step to see if I can identify any errors manually. We're not going to make any changes, but we're just going to have a look at the formulas. So I want to click on Show Formulas. I'm going to reduce the size so I can see the page. And then I'm going to click through each one to see if I can see any errors. If you find any errors, do not amend them, because we will be getting the computer to do the amendments for us. They just want you to look at the spreadsheet. When you're happy, we can then take the formulas off, adjust our screen, and we can then turn back on the error checking. So drop down error checking, options, put the checking back in, OK. And you'll see the green triangles have now appeared. These are the errors that the computer has picked up. Now, I know there's an error here, but I'm just going to have a look at the formula in the one above. You can see that it's got an absolute dollar sign, which means it's using this field against this field. If I click on the next one down, it's doing exactly the same. This field against this field. So now I'm going to use the error checking facility to check my formula here. So if I go up to error checking and error checking, I've got a number of things that I could do. Copy the formula above, which means whatever's here will copy above, but for the appropriate line. Help on this error, which will open up the help function within Excel. I could ignore the error if I don't think there is an error, or I could edit in the formula bar. Well, let me have a look. The error's saying that's B8 to E11. I'm on row 7. So straight away I know that B8 should be B7. E11 is an absolute cell reference, which we noticed when we looked on the formula above. So I'm going to show you what it does with the copy formula above. So that's done that one. Now if I double click here, you'll see that it's corrected the formula. I now want to go back to error checking to see what the other errors are. This time I'm going to look at editing the formula bar. So it's saying D8 by B9. Well, I'm on row 9. So D8 should actually be D9. So if I click on edit in formula, I can see the problem. So I'm going to double click in here and I'm going to amend D8 to D9 and then press enter. The green triangle has now disappeared. I'm going to click here to find out what the error is. My fields go up to 11, but my formula is only going up to 10. So I could either change it and enter, or I could extend the range because this is the same problem and enter. I'm going to save my file as T5 exercise 1. And there we have it. Stage 1 is now complete.